All right, guys. Hey, so this is Thursday's math video notes. We're going to continue with the addition, subtraction, and multiplication. So, but I think we're to the point where I don't have to give you an example of addition and subtraction. So, just so you know, I can turn the page. Okay. We have 25 problems here. You have to answer them all. Remember to keep the numbers lined up, write neat. Well, I'll be right neatly. And number two, make sure you're regrouping. Okay, make sure you regroup. And then circle your answers. Okay. Subtraction, you have about 15 problems. Remember, write neatly. And then regroup. And then number three, circle answers. All right. You may or may not need to regroup. I'm just saying. All right, now we are to the multiplication, what we have been looking forward to the most. Said no fifth grader I've ever taught. All right, guys, so there's 15 problems here. I'm going to do the first 3, and the rest of it's on you. That's 12 problems you get to do on your own, because we should be to the point. This is Thursday. You've done countless multiplication problems. Okay, the very first thing you need to do, because there's no grids, you need to make sure that you line up your work. Line up work, or line up the digits. Everything goes in the place value. Number 2, it's going to help if you write neatly. Okay, and then number 3, make sure you put that 0. Okay, in the tens place. And 4, circle answer. All right, remember, line up your digits. Ooh, I totally forgot. Regroup. You got to regroup. All right, so here we go. We have 845 times 83. Okay, so like we do every time, we start in our ones place. 3 times 5 is 15. So I put my 5, kick up my 1. 3 times 4 is 12. But then I have to add my 1 up here that I regrouped. So 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1 is 13. Okay. 3 times 8 is 24 plus 1 is 25. Now, if you see, I've kept everything lined up. So I'm going to go ahead and mark out these right there so I don't get confused and use them again. Now, what I have to do is I have to put my 0 down in the ones place because I'm moving over to the tens. All right, 8 times 5 is 40. So I put my 0 down and I carry my 4. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 4 is 32. Plus 4 is 36. So I put my 6 here, bump up my 3. 8 times 8 is 64. We just know that. 8 times 8 is 64. 64 plus 7. No, it's not. It's 64 plus 3 is 67. I got ahead of myself. Sometimes I do that. You'll see. All right, now we just add. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 0 is 3. 5 plus 6 is 11. Carry my 1. 2 plus 7 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. 6 plus 1 is 7. All right. See, everything is lined up. I wrote neatly. I put my 0, I regrouped when necessary, and I circled my answer. All right, next one, I have 967 times 45. Just like I do every single, you may be tired of me saying this, but you do it every single time you start in your ones place. 5 times 7 is 35, so I put my 5 here, carry my 3. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 plus 3 is 33. 5 times 9 is 45. 45 plus 3 is 48. Now, I've had kids in the past ask me why, instead of writing 48, I always write the last number first. It just keeps everything lined up for me. See, everything is lined up. All right, now I'm moving over to my tens place. That means I put my 0 down here. And now I'm going to start. 4 times 7 is 28. I put my 8, carry my 2. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus 3 is 26. 4 times 9 is 36. 36 plus 2 is 38. Now I add. So 5, it's 11, carry my 1. 8 plus 6 is 14, plus 1 is 15, carry my 1. 4 plus 8 is 12, plus 1 is 13, carry my 1. And then 3 plus 4, 3 plus 1 is 4. I get ahead of myself. My brain works faster than, or my mouth is running faster than my brain here. Okay, so 43,515. Okay, last one we got right here. I have 763 times 17. So, start my ones place. 7 times 3 is 21. 1, carry my 2. 7 times 6 is 42. 42 plus 2 is 44. Carry my 4 here. 7 times 7 is 49. 49 plus 4 is 53. All right, now, I have had a habit to where as soon as I use it, I go ahead and mark it out so I don't forget. So now I'm going to move over to the 1 right here that's in the tens place. So that means I have to put my 0 here. And then remember, 1 times any number is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 and 0 is 1. 4 plus 3 is 7. 3 plus 6 is 9. 5 plus 7 is 12. All right, guys, that is Thursday, October 15th. That is your math notes. So please stay tuned for your problem solving, and as you can guess, it is word problems. So just be good, stay out of trouble, and I'll talk to y'all later.